I'm on my way to pick up something cool. You know, every knife maker I've talked to wants a surface grinder. It's like a kind of a universal constant, and I really want to start making more pocket knives, so I think it's going to be a really nice addition to my shop. So I picked up this surface grinder today. I paid quite a bit for it, but it's a very heavy duty machine. It was set up in a machine shop, I guess, to run on 483 phase, and I want to convert it to where it run on 240 single phase, 220 single phase. It's kind of greasy, kind of dirty, but I don't know, I think it's in pretty good shape. It's got an 18-inch vise on it, so it's going to be a fun little project. This thing leaked hydraulic oil everywhere. I have no idea what I'm doing. Kind of nerve-wracking. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to walk under that bone. Well, I guess the bed of my pickup won't rust for a while. This thing's leaked hydraulic fluid everywhere. That's the hydraulic pump. It's got a separate motor on it, and you know, the reservoir there. You don't have to use the hydraulics. I mean, I guess you could use the grinder completely manual, but it'd be nice to have the automatic set up.